everyone, Nikki here with Selectly Insurance. Welcome back to my channel where we discuss all things insurance. Today we're going to talk about something crucial, tips to prepare yourself in the event of a car accident. So buckle up, take notes, and let's dive in. Safety is the top priority. In the event of a car accident, first check for injuries. Ensure everyone involved is safe, and if needed, call for emergency medical assistance. Your well-being comes first. Move to a safe location. If possible, drive your vehicle to the side of the road to avoid additional risks. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers and stay inside your vehicle until it's safe to exit. Exchange information with the other party involved. Collect names, phone numbers, addresses, insurance details, and license plate numbers. Be sure to take photos of the accident scene and any damages to both vehicles. Don't hesitate to contact the authorities. Even if the accident seems minor, filing a police report can be crucial for insurance purposes. Provide accurate information and coordinate with law enforcement. Reach out to us as soon as possible. Notify your insurance company about the accident and provide all the necessary details. We're here to guide you through the claims process and offer support. Document the scene thoroughly. Take pictures of the accident, vehicle damages, and any relevant road signs or signals. This visual evidence can be invaluable during the claims process. If there are witnesses, gather their contact information. Witness statements can be crucial in determining fault and expediting the claims process. Their perspective might provide valuable insights. Stay calm and collected. Accidents can be stressful, but maintaining composure is essential. Avoid unnecessary arguments and let the insurance companies handle the details. Familiarize yourself with your insurance policy. Understand your coverage, deductibles, and any additional benefits. Knowing what your policy includes will help you navigate the claims process with confidence. And there it is, essential tips to prepare yourself in the event of a car accident. Remember, we're here to support you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insurance insights. Drive safe, everyone. Until next time, stay covered and informed.